Hey, and today we're going to make some Disney Stateroom cruise door magnets. We're going to make some Mickey shapes today, which are super easy to make. And I'm going to start with 3 circles, or you can use 2 and duplicate your circle when you're shaped. And what we're going to do is just reshape, unlock this second circle, as you can see here, until you get an ear shape you're happy with. Once you're happy, duplicate, turn it, and just keep messing until you're happy with your Mickey shape. Now, once you're happy, you need to right click, weld it all together, and then colour it black. So you can see there that we've got a really good Mickey shape. And that's going to be your template for Mickey, Minnie, your Pirate Mickey. And all I'm doing is duplicating each shape so that I've got my foundation shapes before I start to decorate the shapes. I want a Mickey and Minnie, a larger mouse, and then we're going to make a family. So I'm just going to duplicate and make some smaller mouse shapes too. And then we've got our whole family. And once those guys are ready, it's time to start decorating. I'm going to start with Mickey, and I'm going to make the bottom of my Mickey magnet. I'm going to do this by cutting a circle in half. So a circle with a square over the top. Right click and slice, and that will give me half a circle. Get rid of that, and there you go. So there's my trousers, I suppose we can call them. Now what the next stage is to make these red. Getting the right colour red to suit my Mickey. And once we've done that, which we're almost there, we're going to make buttons to go on the front of his trousers. And select a circle and reshape it, make it smaller. And then we're going to colour it. So I think that's the right size, so just find the right yellow colour and then duplicate, and there you go, Mickey magnet. Once we're just shaped. Now once it's shaped, I'm going to flatten it, so that you have to flatten it to print and cut, otherwise it will do it in multiple layers. But next up, Minnie Mouse. So next up we're going to find a bow for Minnie, and I'm thinking something quite simple, and then I'm going to put loads of polka dots on it. So this is a great bow there. First of all, you've got to resize it. It needs to be quite prominent because it is Minnie Mouse. So we'll get the right red, which we've already got there from what we've used on Mickey. Resize till we're happy. And once I'm happy, I'm going to cover it in polka dots. Which I think that's about right. So we're going to select a circle. And then what I'm going to do here, I've actually cropped a bit of this out because it takes a while, is make it white and then just keep right clicking and copying or copy pasting, so you've got loads and loads of polka dots, but every now and again resize so you've got a few different sizes, and that works really well. And then what I did was I removed my bow, which we'll see in a minute, grouped all my dots and duplicated it so that I've got those ready for my bandana. So there you go, I've flattened that into a shape, and then I'm going to re-flatten after I've duplicated for my Minnie. There you go, so resize the bow, I'm happy with that. And then next up, I'm going to find a bandana. Couldn't find a bandana I wanted, so I've just got this skull and crossbone, and all I'm going to do is ungroup it and then delete anything I don't want. So there you go, I can get rid of that and that. Size my bandana, and then I'm going to colour it to the right red. There you go, so it's there in templates already. So with these dots now, all I'm going to do is ungroup them and just use the ones I need, delete anything I don't want, and flatten, so that I've really easily made that without having to cut and paste all the dots again. So it's really useful just to be able to save elements of a design and then reshape them. And here we go, we've got a Mickey Ahoy. And my next step is I'm going to find a Mickey Mouse. So we're just going to overlay and flatten him onto the Ahoy so that that just finishes off the set. So go into design space and search Mickey. And here we go. So I'm going to go for this one because it's waving. Now, what I'm going to do now is ungroup him, and the reason I'm going to ungroup him is I just want to remove a few elements of the design. So we're going to ungroup and remove the stripy bits on the scarf so it looks more nautical rather than wintry. Size him, and then I'm going to right click and flatten, and there's my Mickey shape. So the last step now will just be to add your name. So you can actually add your name before print and cut, or you can make little name discs and add your name that way. And the next step now is to ensure it's all flattened and send it to print and cut. And there you've got a full set of Disney door magnets. So hope you like that tutorial, and thanks for watching.